Athletes push the limits of applied science, reaching to gain any advantage that will help them maximize their performance. They often lead the way to new and exciting applications of technology and science that can benefit all of us. Gatorade, for example, made its way to mainstream use because of its effective use by athletes who were pushing the limit. Today, athletes use gels to pound carbs right before competition or in the middle of a race to maximize the speed of absorption and increase the bioavailability of ingredients right when they need it. What if anyone could pound nutritional supplements in the same way when it's most convenient for them? Could a highly accessible delivery system like the one athletes use be versatile enough to work with other consumable products? The answer to this question launched a powerful new delivery mechanism called suspension gel technology. Suspension gel technology is a patent-pending, state-of-the-art science used to suspend nutrition in a gel. There are two key factors that influence the efficacy of any nutritional supplement: the timing of the ingestion and the availability of the nutrients. The Agile system facilitates the proper timing of ingestion of the nutrient and forces the critical nutrients to remain suspended in gel, thus optimizing the availability of those nutrients when ingested, which then enhances its overall absorption and use. Agile has created this new category of suspension gel technology.